Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Yabla, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your Yabla login process, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.yabla.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Yabla homepage. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see two fields requesting your information. In the first field, enter your registered email address. In the second field, input your password. Double-check the email and password for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After filling in your email and password, locate the login button on the page. Click the login button to submit your credentials. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your Yabla dashboard. If you encounter an error message, review your email and password again. If you have successfully logged in, you can now access all of Yabla's features. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the available tools and resources. If you need assistance at any point, look for help links or customer support on the site. This concludes the login process for Yabla. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.